Okay, so I've already started a great week already. We are getting rid of a bunch of stuff. I got the 3 small boxes right here, this box, an old diaper box, another box. I got a sleeping bag, a bag full of blankets, and then I got 2 garbage bags that are full of clothes. So this is the stuff that we are getting rid of. I'm going to go drop it off. I'm heading out to go couponing. I'm going to go drop it off also. So let's go, and then I'll show you guys the rest of the stuff that we've done. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. You guys just saw me donating all that stuff. It felt so good to donate it, and I'm ready to donate more. But this week I've been kind of slacking on doing stuff because of the weather. 2 days ago we had almost 9 inches of snow, so I'm just like, eh. And then today it's freezing cold outside. I think tonight's gonna be like -20. So I just haven't been in the mood really to do stuff, but I'm doing stuff at my own pace. But this weekend we did pretty good. Or this past weekend with my mom coming into town. Sorry, you're gonna see Ben, he's been playing with toys. But we did pretty good with doing stuff this weekend. Husband and I spent about 2 hours in the spare bedroom going through stuff. We got rid of a lot of garbage. We got rid of some boxes that we haven't touched in years, and then we also got rid of some... Okay, sorry, I lost my train of thought because my kid is in the room next to me. But I think we did pretty good. I mean, I got rid of stuff that I haven't seen in years. A lot of you guys said, you know, if you haven't seen it in years, take it out or just throw away. But yeah, that is true. If I haven't touched it in years, I should just throw it away. But you got to go through stuff because you never know what you're going to find. There might be personal information in there that you... there might be something in there that you really need to keep. And I found money, actually, me going through some of my stuff, not upstairs but in the basement. I've actually found money, so like it pays to go through it. And yeah, I am getting rid of it, but it's that. But otherwise I'm doing pretty good. I've been selling stuff like crazy. Like I said, I'm in this group called Buy, Sell, and Trade of the county that I live in. And there's about 40,000 people that are in that group. And then I'm in other groups with the town that I live in. And then there's Marketplace on Facebook. So I posted my stuff that I'm selling in about 8 groups. And I've been really successful on selling stuff. I've been selling a lot of stuff lately. And I sell it just to get rid of it, to make some money. I mean, I'm still making some money, but I'm just selling it to get rid of it because it's cheaper to, or I'm making money instead of just donating everything. So I feel proud about that. So what I'm going to do is show you guys the spare bedroom on what we did, and then I'm going to show you guys the closet, which I'm pretty proud about. And then my closet, I didn't do anything to it yet. I will do it. I'm just not in the mood, you know, I'm just doing everything at my pace. That's all I want. I'm not in a huge hurry to get this stuff done. The bedroom I do got to get done, but everything else I'll just take my time. I have all year to do it. As long as I continue doing what I'm doing, I'll be fine. And then I'm also going to go through my bathroom, what I did so far. So here I am standing in the room where I'm having the girls' room. And if you guys kind of see it from the before picture and the after picture, you could barely even get in here. You could barely even get inside. It was that bad. But we did get rid of a lot of stuff. You can see more of the carpet. And as the husband and I were realizing going through this stuff, it's actually not that bad. A lot of it's just toys in here. And what we're doing is yeah, if you guys follow me on Instagram, and I could show you guys this if I go in the basement, but I actually had boxes, or I had 9 totes full of clothes for Benjamin. 9 totes. We kept them in case we had another boy. We're done having kids after this. So I kept all of his clothes thinking we'll need them, and I didn't. So I ended up going through all of his clothes, and I'll show you guys bags of the clothes that I went through. But otherwise, all those totes right there, all the toys are going to go in it. So we're going to get rid of a lot of these cardboard boxes, because it's better to see what you have. If you can see what's in those totes, there's a better chance of it not getting lost. So that's totes that I'm actually going to go through tomorrow and start putting toys in it. But started selling some stuff. I have a pile of books that I'm selling. I already had somebody interested in some of my books, so I'm just waiting for them to give me the lowdown on what they want. We sold what was in this room that we sold? I had the closet full of toys. I sold that. I sold some things here and there, but if you guys look at the closet, I mean, we got rid of all those boxes. All those 3 boxes that I haven't touched in years are gone. Still got to do something with my dolls, which I have a spot for them, but slowly, what we're going to start doing is put some stuff in the closet so we can paint this room. I plan on painting this room in about a week, or in about a month, so we got that. But we can finally sit down. Ben's been just chilling in here, sitting down. We're going to sell this little nightstand. I'm working on clearing this off today to post that for sale. There's my old headboard. We're going to post that for sale. And then this bookshelf, I got to box the books up, but we're selling this bookshelf. So got that going on for that. But otherwise, I think it's not much. We're still going through it. It takes time. This stuff, I'm getting rid of all this stuff. I'm getting rid of all these pictures. It takes time. It takes time, but just got to do little by little. So I'm very proud about that. Okay, and here is my closet area. If you guys saw it before, you could have not even seen there's shelves in here. You couldn't see anything. I've gone through a lot. I donated a lot of bed sheets. I folded a lot of stuff up. And like this thing right here, this is just full of washcloths, and then right here it's full of paper towels. I thought having them all in one spot is going to be a little bit nicer. Sorry, my kid's going to make a noise. But what I ended up doing is I made a spot that says queen and queen. So these are queen fitted sheets and queen sheets. And then we have queen pillowcases. Graham and I have a king size bed, so I got king sheets and king pillowcases. So we got that. I got rid of a lot of purses. I got to put that purse in the tote, but I got rid of a lot of purses. So we're going to probably put some stockpile stuff in here, like mostly toilet paper, so we have it up here. And then I got to get I'm going to sell these diapers that I got a long time ago. But otherwise, it's looking good. It's better than what it did look like. So we got that going on. So on to the next room. Okay, so here is my closet. It's not really ooh wow, but if you guys saw what it looked like a while ago, I had like boxes of stuff I've never touched. So we're still going through it. It's not like it's all going to happen in one day. A lot of you guys are like, if you touch it, throw it away. Well, you know what? It's not that easy. If it was your stuff, you think about it. I mean, a lot of you guys think, just do it. Yeah, just think about it. If this was your stuff, would it be easy for you to do? No. And I'm taking a lot of guts showing you guys this. But we are slowly getting rid of stuff. You can kind of see an opening in there. Husband's all into like little bottles of perfume or cologne and stuff. So what I actually want to get is like, we're going to go to Ikea either this weekend or next weekend. And what I actually want to get is like a little tiered shelf so he can see all of his cologne and stuff. So that's something I'm going to work on, is getting something tiered in here so he can see all of his stuff. I'm slowly throwing a lot of this stuff away. You know, it just doesn't happen overnight, but slowly throwing it away, getting rid of stuff. Didn't even touch this shelf. This shelf I have to still touch. And then I went through this box. I got to donate some stuff and put some stuff just to get rid of. But otherwise, yeah, I mean, it doesn't look like much, but compared to my video last week, if I did a lot of before and after pictures, you guys would see a difference. But otherwise, I'm really liking what it looks like right now. But I haven't touched my closet. I'll probably work on that sometime in the next week or so. But I just want to continue showing you guys my progress. Okay, so that is my little tour of what I've worked on so far, you guys. Doing this video has helped me a lot on getting rid of stuff, working on stuff, and a lot of people are like, oh, thank you, you know, you're motivating me, One person I loved commented, she thought I was like perfect at everything. I'm not perfect at all. I'm not perfect at all. I'm just your average person. I'm more lazy than anything else. Like the couponing stuff, I'm organized with that, but everything else I just don't want to. But me being tired doesn't help, and I don't know, my kid makes a mess as I'm cleaning it, so not a big deal. But otherwise, you know, I don't have it like everybody else does, and everybody's different, but I'm enjoying what I'm doing. I'm getting rid of stuff of what I'm doing. Sorry, my kid's being like super loud, but otherwise, I think this is pretty good. I love doing it. I have a friend who wants me to help her. And I said, I'd love to help you, but I want to get my stuff done first. And I told her, I says, once I'm like super pregnant and I can't do anything, I'll help her, because I'll help her just motivate her. But what I told her, and this is stuff that if you guys want to start doing this, what I told her to do is just get started. All you need to do is, I said, if you want to sell some of your stuff, sell them. But don't sell it thinking you're going to get what you paid for. Depends on what it is. I'm selling it just to get rid of it. She thinks selling it at 50% would work. You guys could try that. I'm either selling stuff at 50% or way below what I paid for it. Like I said, I just want to get rid of it and to make some money for it, you know. So I told her, I says, pick 3 items that you want to get rid of, that you want to sell. And I says, try selling those. And then I says, grab 1 box and fill the box with stuff you want to donate. Now, you don't have to donate it right away, because then you don't have to keep constantly making a trip unless you live right next to a donation place. But I said, just fill a box up of stuff you want to donate, okay? And just do little by little, because the little you do, then you'll actually have more energy to do it. But don't overwhelm yourself. A lot of people are like, oh, it's just too much. I set a timer. I usually work for an hour or 2 every day to work on this stuff. This week I've been slacking, which is fine. But for like an hour or 2, all you just do, just work on it. That's all you guys got to do. But this has been a huge motivation for me. I hope you guys enjoy these cleanup videos. I cannot wait for you guys to see the progress as it goes. Even if it takes me a year, I don't care. I'm getting more stuff done than what I've done living here for 6 years. So I'm super proud about that. I hope you guys enjoyed these kind of videos, and I will see you guys all next week for another weekly cleaning video. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.